So you guys, I have a couple more things to share with you. I got these machines delivered today. I have a couple of sergers that I'm going to be trying out and comparing for you guys. I got the Juki MO1000 and then I got the Baby Lock model. Let's see what it is. The Celebrate. So excited. Baby Lock Celebrate. So I'm going to be comparing these with my at-home Brother machine that I use every day, all day, and you guys know this. So I just wanted to compare a couple of machines so that you guys could get the feel for what machine would work best for your lifestyle and your business. So I hope that you guys all enjoyed this unboxing video. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Amber and I'm the owner and creator behind Being a Bliss. And I make all handmade baby clothing. I do blankets, birthday shirts, bummies, leggings, rompers. I do teethers and accessories. Anything to do with a baby, pretty much I do it. So anyway, today we're going to be working on my new machine. It's the MO1000 Juki. And I also have the Baby Lock Celebrate that I'll be working with too. But today we're going to be focusing on the Juki. So I am going to be sewing up some bummies, some leggings. I have a couple rompers to do, and I'm basically just going to be using it for the first time making orders. I opened it the other night in an unboxing live, but I really haven't had time to play with it. So I'm going to do my orders today with it and see how it does for me. And then I'm going to also do another video on the Baby Lock Celebrate, so keep your eyes peeled for that one. I'm going to be comparing the two, and I just basically want to see which one works better for me. They're both really, really good machines. It just depends on what you do for your day-to-day business, and that's what I'm here to do for myself. I want to see which one works better for the material and fabric that I use on a day-to-day basis. So I'm going to let you guys know how they both work, how they both do, and which one works best for me. So please stay tuned. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. And if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. And I hope that you guys enjoy this video as much as I do. Thank you guys so much for being here. I will see you guys in a little bit. Bye. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do, I have only one size 6 to 9 months, so I'm gonna start out with that first. And then I have a couple 9 to 12 months, and then one 12 to 18 months. So I like to do the same sizes at the same time, just so that I don't confuse myself. So I'm going to sew this one, put the tag on, sew the next one, sew the next one, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to start with this 6 to 9 month, and let's hope that everything runs smoothly, and let's get started.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone.
Also, I wanted to let you guys know, I do not serge with my blade engaged, and both of these machines have the capability of turning the blade off, which is amazing because I've taught myself how to serge with my Brother Lock 1034D without the blade. So I was very nervous to sew with the blade, but I figured out a way to disengage it. It's literally just a switch on each machine that turns it down or off. And so yeah, I played with it the other night just on scrap fabric. Again, I haven't sewn anything order-wise with it yet, so I'm about to start that.
I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck. I kept on playing my part, wanted to give up cause nothing was changing.
You guys, it looks perfect.
Every spectrum, guess I finally learned my lesson. You glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel
okay, here's the true test, because my other machine broke needles while I was sewing on cuffs and waistbands because it was too thick. So let's see how this does.
Think to myself, and I'm thinking out loud, we won't need nothing else for the rest of our time. And I know it's so
You guys, it went right over it like nothing. Like nothing.
You glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
Oh my gosh, it's so good. Just perfect, you guys. Literally so smooth. And not that my brother wasn't smooth, it just wasn't as powerful. This is way more powerful, and that is exactly what I needed. So I'm so happy. I'm gonna continue sewing, but I wanted to let you guys know that this machine seems like it is amazing. So, super excited to be using it. Yeah, buddy. Woo! Good job. Use your muscles. Doing some pull-ups. Such a beautiful day out. He is something else. Daredevil. Like, what is happening? My poor yard. Oh my gosh. Meh. So this is what I'm dealing with, guys. Look at it. This is my front yard right now. My poor yard. My septic tank is having issues, and they have to dig it all up. So crazy. Alright guys, here we are, the moment you've been waiting for. We are now unboxing my SWF 12 needle embroidery machine that I am so excited about. I can't wait to show you guys this thing in action, and this is going to take a little bit because it is a big machine, so I hope that you guys enjoy.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in old conversations, cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken, cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever.
That is so heavy. Oh my gosh, it's leaving marks on my fingers. Look at how pretty this is though. So pretty. It's not even put together yet, but it's a monster.
I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck. I kept on playing my part, wanting to give up cause nothing was changing. But with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors in every spectrum. Guess I finally learned.
You guys, look at this screen. It's literally like a TV. Like, over twice as big as my other screen. Ridiculous. I mean, I guess it goes good with my eyes because I can't see, so. There's that. Oh my gosh. It's like a little, like a Nintendo. Got a little remote right there. That's crazy. The heck? So, no idea what I'm doing. So what you're seeing right here is us trying to figure out which chords go where because they're not really labeled. So it's kind of trial and error at this point. We eventually get it, but you can see us struggling a little bit. So try not to laugh too hard. I got it all set up and I'm just testing out a name. So this is something I would put on my Lovey. I didn't thread the whole thing, I just put one color on there to see how the tension was working and everything like that. But look at that screen, it's like a computer, it's so big. This thing is very, very user friendly, and it was very easy to set up the computer and just walk myself through how to start a stitch out. So I hope that you guys, I guess, enjoyed watching me put this thing together. There was a couple trial and error parts on it because the instructions were very, very limited. So I kind of had to figure it out on my own. But nonetheless, we got it together and I just got to get some more thread for it and get it going. But here's what it is so far. That's the hoop that it came with. They're actually very nice hoops that this machine comes with. Not that the other ones aren't on my other machine, but these ones are really really sturdy. And here's a close-up of the screen. It's so big and it just is so user-friendly and walks you through every step of the way. I love it. Well, that is the end of my unboxing video of the SWF12 needle embroidery machine. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me struggle, get it together, and then struggle again, and then get it together again. But in the end, it's put together. I'm just waiting on my thread order, and I want to get started on this machine as soon as I can. I'm so excited to use it and show you guys how it works and answer any questions you might have about it. So again, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my new content coming out. And remember that I am an affiliate for SewingMachinesPlus.com. That is where I got this machine and some of my other machines as well. So I'm always here to help you guys. If you ever need anything, please reach out to me. You can reach me through email, binghambliss@yahoo.com. I'm on Instagram at Bingham_Bliss, all lowercase, and also Facebook is at Bingham Bliss. So please, please, please reach out to me with any questions or anything that you have regarding any sewing or embroidery needs. I love you guys all so much, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you again.